Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this channel playlist is on knives. Now this knife came from Walmart and is part of the Christmas 2025 special. And I do realize that it's way past Christmas and they might not have these on the rack anymore, but they might, who knows. But when I bought these knives, I promised to only do one knife review a month, so I've only got a couple left. So what do we have in this one? Ozark Trails. There we go. This one's called the Wonderlusk. There we go. Close up on this. I like the color of it. There's the name, Wonderlusk. Okay, I'm going to sit down now. We have a 7.5 inch folding knife, assisted open, and some kind of a plastic handle. Part number on the back, 69715. So let's take this thing out of its home. Let's let this thing go free here a little bit right now. There we go. Break it out. There we go. Look, right off the bat, this one feels pretty good. Oh, but this part, the little flipper part, is not polished as good as it should be because the corners are a little sharp. Right here. The corners of this are a little sharp. A little bit sharper than what you'd want it to be. But other than that, it's pretty comfortable. It's got a reversible clip, pocket clip, and not too thrilled about that because it's got a little cutout right here, and the edges on that are not smooth either. Got a little rough angle on that too. So I'm not too thrilled about that. It's not a deal breaker, but it's not really comfortable either. I might just get a Dremel and smooth that out a little bit. Got a lanyard hold right here on the handle where you can see where the handle is partially cut away. It's got thumb studs on either side of the blade. And it's got a liner lock. There we go. It's the first time I've ever closed it, and that was a little bit rougher than it should have been, but it needs to be broken in a little bit. How's it at opening? Oh, it opens pretty easy. Excuse me. There we go. You can open it with the thumb studs, very easy. Let's see here. See if I can break that in a little bit. There we go. Let's see how that is now. It's going to need some more working with, but it's not bad. The liner lock is right here. As you can see on each side of the scales or the handle. There's a little place right here right here that you push over with your thumb to let that close. So, there we go. So not too bad, not great, not bad, just whatever you prefer. There we go. It's not my favorite knife, but I will carry it sometime. It will go in the collection. It might be put in the trade side or the sell side. Got some copy paper here. Let's see how sharp this thing out of the package. Now, some of these have really surprised me. Some have surprised me a good way, and some have surprised me in a bad way. Some I thought would cut paper right off the top. Failed to do that. And this one is probably one of the better ones that I've opened this year. In fact, of the Christmas 25, this is the best one that I've opened this year. Because it's very easy. Very easy. You see how easy that is, right? I like it. So, 3 websites that I like to follow are this one guy who is a knife maker, lives up in Canada somewhere. Name is Kyle Noseworthy. This guy just makes super special knives. And he also makes the sheaths for them. Another guy is Outdoors 55. Now I watch him because he has taught me so much about sharpening knives. I give him credit for that. He's taught me probably about 80% of what I know about sharpening knives. And I will never ever catch up with his knowledge. So check him out, Outdoors 55. Third guy is Cutlery Lover. And this guy has a generic channel where he just loves knives, he loves guns, he loves EDC carries, he loves wallets, he loves Zippos. He's a jack of all trades. Super nice guy. Cutlery Lover. So I'd encourage you to check out those 3 channels, but always come back and join my channel, and I do appreciate you being here.